There are just 5 of them in the world.
Tell us about the engine.
So the engine is AMG, Mercedes. I know you want to hear that because you're a Mercedes guy, you see? Well, guess how much he's worth. Let's make a guess. 2 million. 2 million. 4, 5, 8. You little kid. 10. I like this guy. Bring me your checkbook. I'll take it. No, I'm only kidding. So the car's worth. Yeah. I think Pagani did it right. There are 2 things you can do as a car manufacturer. You can either try and build it all, or you can say, guess what? I'm gonna take an engine that I know works, and I'm gonna put the most beautiful body on it. And I'm gonna show people that I have not just power, but I've got power and absolute perfection in design. And this is why these cars have been so valuable. Let's make a guess. 2 million. 2 million. 4, 5, 8. You little kid. 10. I like this guy. Bring me your checkbook. I'll take it. No, I'm only kidding. So the car's worth.
Yeah, it can cost like 8, 9, 10.
There are just 5 of them in the world. So if you want to buy one, you're in the mercy of these guys. Talk about a Pagani right here. Come in here. Let me have you talk about it. Because I'm not very schooled in Pagani as much as this guy is. So you all know Pagani is also another Argentinian, right? Are there any Argentinians in the house? That's one right here. Okay. So Pagani is from Argentina, and Pagani had his first job as an auto designer at Lamborghini, believe it or not. He worked at Lamborghini, and he told Lamborghini they were doing something wrong.
Hey, right. Can you tell me how you started?
Can you
give me instructions?
Yeah, just insert the key.
Insert the key.
Just let it wake up the system. Ignition on.
Pull out your cameras. This is one in a lifetime, courtesy of Squadron Lupo. Once in a lifetime. You probably would never see this car again.
Now it's time to start.
So please film it today.
So what is that sound?
Huh?
That sound, it tells you to not push the throttle, right?
Sound is warning because the doors are open.
Because the doors are open.
Lamborghini to do it, and Lamborghini didn't want to do it. Pagani decided to start his own company, bought his own enclave, his auto enclave company, and started building his own cars. By the way, for just so you know, Pagani actually built a Lamborghini in all carbon and kind of showed it to Lamborghini, and Lamborghini still said, I'm not interested, because Lamborghini was stuck in the old ways. So that made him decide, well, I'm going to go and build the ultimate car. Now, this is the entirety of what ultimate is. Design perfection in an automobile.
About the transmission?
Well, the mission is double clutch, Tiptronic.
Oh, it's a Tiptronic, okay.
Yeah, it's kind of similar. So, but it's automatic.
So when you manually shift it,
You can.
how do you feel? Does it feel like it's pretty...
It's small. Really small.
What do you like, to manually shift it, or do you like to go automatic?
Wow. Obviously, I like it.
You like the manual?
Yeah, it's still cheap.
So make sure you contact them.